Welcome to another episode of Buckshot. Today we're working on a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado 4x4 3.6 liter V6. As sexy as she is, shout out to Mr. JS. His truck is sweet. By the way, today doing a quick service, synthetic oil and filter inspection. And I just wanted to show the oil and filter locations on this thing. So top side, we got your AC Delco professional oil filter. Part number is Papa Frank 2129 Golf. The oil filter location is next to the oil fill and the dipstick. Got the ratchet on it. It's a 24mm socket. Be sure to change the O-ring if it's got an O-ring on the cup. And then bottom side, let's sneak under here real quick. Bottom side is the drain plug. I got the wrench hanging right off of it. 15mm drain plug. I put the jack just to raise the body up a little bit so I can squeeze under here to access this. You don't have to if you're a little bit smaller or bigger or whatever floats your boat, man, woman. And that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. Oil capacity, 6 quarts. Customer requested full synthetic oil change. So I'm gonna knock this out. Again, top side oil filter. Here it is, 15mm drain plug, 24mm socket. If you like it, thumbs it up. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.